Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. I have a small Tuesday morning. I have a small Tonic Studios haul to share with you guys. This order was placed on the 22nd of February and I just got it today. And it includes the February Stamp Club set in it, which I'm really excited about. So stick around for that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes, always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I am pre-recording so that you'll have a little bit of content while I'm out of commission for a couple of days. Also, if you'll comment below, because I have another Tonic video I'm going to record tonight. It won't be a big one either. And let me know whatever I get the most votes on. It's either going to post Saturday or Sunday. Whichever day gets the most votes, that's the day I'm going to post it. So let me know below. And yeah. So we're going to start with, I guess we'll start with the small things just to get them out of the way. I'm hoping to get started on some mini albums as gifts here shortly, and I wanted some more magnets. I wanted to try the Tonic ones. I normally get the, shoot, I can't think what they're called because I order them from Joann's. I can't think of what they're called. Anyway, they're thin magnets. You can go in the stores and you can find the thick ones, but that's not what you want. For your mini albums. I've got a whole stash of them somewhere, but they are packed away with some of the mini album kits that I have prepped. And there's two sizes out there. Tonic apparently only carries one size. These are called the small craft magnets. As you can see, they are very thin, and it's a set of 10. I have quite a few sets of the other brand, and if I can think of them, I'll post them below for you to check them out. If I can remember what they're called, I'll probably have to go hunt down some old Joann orders. But they had these. They weren't on sale, and they were a little more than I like to pay. These were $8.49 for this pack, but honestly, you want a wafer thin die or magnet for your projects. Here they're showing you attaching a set. But so I picked up one set just to see how well, how strong they are. So I got those. I grabbed another embellishment tool. I'm sending this off to a friend. I'm also considering my friend P. Hey girl, love you. She was telling me that the Hedgehog Hollow has a double-ended tool, so one side is what I call the pokey picker. You know, like the weeding tool or whatever. And the other side is like a pickup, an embellishment tool. And she says it is fantastic. So I think I'm going to order that to try it out. So I haven't ordered it yet, but I think maybe in the next month or so, I'm going to give it a try. So be on the lookout for that. The next thing I got in this order is I picked up this Glacier paste in Quicksilver because I didn't think I had this color. And I think this will be nice, like if you're doing like anniversary cards, at Christmas time, silver bells, hello. I think that's going to be really pretty. So I went ahead and grabbed that color. Then, and that was $7.99. I don't know if that was on sale. The last thing I got was the Stamp Club. And this is called the Compassion and Poppies Stamp and Die Set. And it was $34.99. But there's your stamp set. The stamp clubs, they always come in a designated pocket. They always have a nice sleeve, backer board, with the only information on the back is the name. I wish they would put inspiration art on the back, but I guess they're just like, this was last month's, I think, the moon and stuff like that. So that would have been January, I guess. I think. Anywho, so a beautiful poppy set. You have like a large set here. You have like a little kind of like, if you layer it, like a field of poppies. And then you have some individuals here if you want to try some layering. And then you have the foliage to go with it. At this difficult time, thinking of you. Warm birthday wishes, keeping you in my heart. I'm so sorry for your loss. And sending the biggest hug your way. And then it also comes with the matching die set. And I like how they included like some frame dies here. They have some additional dies for embellishment, filler, foliage filler, and individual dies for all of these flowers. So I think that is pretty fantastic. And for $34.99, that's actually a really, really good buy. The stamp clubs usually come out the middle of the month, so I'm hoping that the new one is going to post soon. I haven't seen any like sneak peeks of it, so I don't know. Well, I'll be honest, I haven't been looking, so don't laugh at me. I watch all kinds of crazy things on YouTube. My latest, one thing, I love true crime, so I'm always watching true crime, but my latest obsession, you guys are going to laugh at me. I have been watching watch restoration videos. I know you're laughing, but you need to go look. I'm going to include the links down in the description of 3 channels I'm watching. First off, watches are absolutely beautiful on the inside. For one, I mean, especially when they open up antiques, it's like, oh my gosh, it's like you're glued to it. And then watching them work on these pieces is just amazing. And I learned, I don't know if you know this, I know this isn't craft related, but I mean, hey, this is my channel. Y'all know me. I go on tangents all the time. But they have jewels in them, and I've always known that. But the reason why there's jewels in them is because when metal and metal are against each other, of course, it's friction. And when the metal is like pivoting on a jewel, it reduces the friction like exponentially. So that's why there's jewels inside watches. And some of them are just flat out stunning. Not to mention, I've always been kind of like an engineer nut, like anything technical, like I love watching it. And to me, they're just really intricate puzzles, like on super microscopic scale. So, but that's what I've been watching. If you're interested, I'll put the links to the 3 channels I'm watching, obsessed with right now. And maybe later I'll do like a video on like stuff that I like to watch on YouTube. You know, let me know. Because as much as I love crafts, like I said, crime stories, watch restoration, I watch automobile detailing. I sit there, and I watch carpet cleaning videos too. It amazes me how somebody can let their carpets or their cars get so, we'll just say flat out disgusting, nasty, filthy, like black. And then these carpet cleaners come in, and some of them can almost make the carpet look brand new. I mean, it is absolutely insane. So yes, I watch the craziest stuff on YouTube. I find it entertaining. The watch videos are really nice because they play this really soothing music. And like when you're at work, you know, I put an earbud in and I'm listening to the music and doing my paperwork. And occasionally, like, I'll look over and look at whatever they're doing on the watch. But anyway, that was a random tangent. But, you know, let me know. if you guys want a video on things that I love to watch on YouTube or any other randoms, you know what? Maybe I'll do like a poll and like have you guys ask, like send in questions that you would like for me to answer. We might do that. I think so. Anywho, that's it. That is it for my Tonic Studios haul. I'm sure some of y'all are pretty shocked. It's probably one of the smallest Tonic hauls that I've ever shared with you guys. Honestly, I could probably combine the other one in with this, but I'm going to record it for another video. Hope you guys have a fantastic Friday. Love you guys to pieces. Oh, and thank you for everybody that's been emailing me. I think when some of you guys are going to be watching this, I'll probably actually be in the dentist chair. So, we'll see. I'm definitely going to ask for medication this time around. Because that last go around, when that stuff wore off, I thought my head was going to explode. And we've already had this discussion before. But anywho, I love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.